I recommend this program because the faculty is really understanding, it's a fun environment and you learn a lot.
So by starting at Eastern Maine Community College and then transferring into the University of Maine, I've probably saved close to half, at least 1/3 of what the total cost would be if I had started up at the University of Maine.
Just know it's a lot of work and a lot of fun. The teachers are great.
An added benefit of starting here at Eastern Maine Community College is the student-to-teacher ratio is much more in favor of the students. You actually can get tons of one-on-one time with the two main instructors, Rick and Brent, and I wouldn't trade that experience for the world.